It's a meeting agent, and what it does is whenever the call ends, we use Chorus as our recorder, and you might use, a different provider. That's, whatever it is, there's always like a transcript that it gives. And then what happens is that transcript gets pushed through the agent, and then it looks at the notes, and then it creates and updates the record within Salesforce. So like if you're on a client call with an opportunity, it updates that information on the opportunity. And then there's also like an at-risk assessment where if it dips below, like, okay, this conversation was really ugly with a customer, they had a lot of complaints or anything like that, you can actually set a flag to notify customer success. So they can like proactively like reach out and be like, okay, salesperson, you didn't want to tell me about this meeting, but our agent, tapped me on the shoulder and said, maybe we need to step in and try to resolve this before things get bad. So that has been really cool to kind of see. And then, lastly, it will send me a recommended draft for email follow-up. So it'll actually put in everybody's names, all the different action items, and write the email for me. And then it shoots me a Slack message of a recommended email to send to everybody. So then I can just copy and paste it into Gmail. It's not, I wouldn't say it's like perfect, but it's like 90% there. And then I kind of tweak it a little bit and then paste it in and send it. So like that's like a lifesaver for me, like not having to like type out an email every single time after I have a meeting.
I love using it as a tattletale. Like, I
Yeah,
love it.
it's
Like,
a little bit of a tattletale, yeah. And then we have the same thing in Slack. So like we have customer Slack channels, and it moderates the shared channel between us and the customers, and it will listen for certain keywords, and then it will do a sentiment analysis for it like at the end of the day, and it will like log if something's at risk.
I love that because that's really where you can put, like, tangible, like, results to it, right?
Yep.
Because you can be like, "This person was gonna churn, they were pissed," and then all of a sudden, the right people communicated proactively and did actions that, like, saved the customer a lot of headache, and that's, like, a real world value. That's more than just, "I hate taking notes in a meeting."
Yeah.
Because if it can tell customer success, it can also tell the manager for mentoring needs.